everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales. So here we have the Divine Diva subscription. As you know, this is a monthly lifestyle subscription. It has beauty and makeup. So Divine Diva is priced at $6.99 plus shipping, and it is a partly personalized box also. So this time the typical box packaging, very safe packaging, and everything is nicely packed inside. So let's open up and see what we have inside. And also, you know, the first 20 to 30 subscribers will have a special gift also, which I'll mention in the video. So let's get started. So once we open the box, inside we are having the info cards of the products and everything. As you can see, the shockproofing is very good, and I'm getting an intense fragrance of lemon, so I'm assuming something lemon based is also inside. So everything is bubble wrap. Let's open up and start one by one. First we have something to eat. We have 2 paper boats, and I love it. So that's good. Every time she adds something to eat, so I always appreciate that gesture. Moving on to the product. The star product, if you ask me, in the March edition Divine Diva is a lip crayon from the brand Yerk. I believe that's how you pronounce it, Yerk. So it is a halal certified brand, and also it's a completely vegetarian brand. So I am so happy that we get to try newer brands through the subscription boxes. So this, you have a shade choice as well, and the price is 599 rupees. The one that I picked, I think it's a maroonish kind of shade. So the packaging is very good. I would say very professional packaging. And this is how the lip crayon looks like. So let's see the shade. Wow, that is the exact shade that I had in mind. It is a maroonish red. It's not like a very bright red, but totally my kind of shade. It glided very smoothly on my hands. It has a creamy finish. I really love the shade, and I'll give you a look of how it looks on my lips as well. So I'm very impressed with the first product itself. It almost covers the price of the box. You're getting 4.5 grams of the product. The full ingredient list is mentioned, and we are having a completely Indian brand. Very, very impressed with the first product. There is also a pamphlet that talks about all the products that Yerk has: highlighters, compacts, eyeliners, lipsticks, concealers. Wow, that is like a pretty full, full-fledged brand, glitters and shimmers. So I'm really excited about this brand. I'll put a link to this brand also, the Insta page of this brand, in the subscription box. You can check that out. The second product that we have here is from the brand Satliva, and it is Satliva is a 100% natural handmade brand with the power of hemp, cold pressed, freshly made, and zero chemicals. These are the advantages of Satliva brand. And the product that we have here is a hair cream. And there were 2 variants, peppermint and rosemary. I went with rosemary. I think you have a choice. Dry, damaged, and hair fall protect, made with pure hemp seed oil. You are getting 40 grams of the product, and the price of this one is 610. It is a luxury brand, and it has an expiry. It has a PA of 6 months. Wow, this looks great. I think we have received Satliva products for the first time in Divine Diva earlier. So this is how the hair cream texture is. I'm just gonna apply it on my hair and probably tell you. So it is not like a typical cream also. It is more like a, what do you call it, like a balmish, like a melted balm kind of texture, which I really like. And I wouldn't really call it greasy, but yeah, I just applied it on my hair. It smells nice. It has a Vicks-like fragrance. This particular variant has a Vicks-like fragrance, and I really like the ingredient list. I'm very impressed with the ingredient list. I'm not sure if you're supposed to apply it onto your wet hair or otherwise. I think you can apply it onto dry hair as well. It has hemp seed, argan oil, jojoba, beeswax, and rosemary. Take a small amount, massage into the roots and hair before your shower, or apply on moist hair. So it can be either like a leave-on or like a pre-wash treatment. Very impressed with the product right now. I really like the fragrance also. A very unique product to go for. The next product that we have here is again a brand that has not been featured in boxes before. The name is Plump Skin and Hair Food, and what we have here is a lemon hand scrub. Helps in exfoliating, gives skin a dose of antioxidants, leaves skin soft and youthful, and treats sun damage. 200 grams of the product. It is a glass jar, and the key ingredients are mentioned here. Against animal testing, you have to use it within 3 months. That shows how less of a chemically rich product this is. So 490 rupees, and I'm excited to try a different brand also. And also, we always care about our face, even feet, hair, but very rarely do we buy hand creams, but a hand scrub is very rare. We very rarely use such products, and I'm someone who actually pays a bit importance to my fingers and hands and all, because I like to maintain them always in a very supple condition. So sometimes a hand cream just doesn't work. You have to exfoliate the dry skins, and you need it, especially if you are like working in the kitchen for long or whatever that is. You definitely need a good scrub, and I'm very excited about this one. It is basically, I think, a salt or sugar. I'm not really sure about that. I have to check the ingredient list. It's sugar. It's a sugar-based scrub. So very excited to try this one, and very nicely packed, and a nice color combination also, reminiscent of lemon. So this is the first, second, third product in the box. The fourth product that we have here is a charcoal face mist from the brand Humble Bee. It contains orange oil, almond oil, distilled water, tea tree, jojoba, activated charcoal and vitamin E. It's a 50 ml product and the price is 399 rupees and manufactured in January. Face mist is definitely a great addition for summers, especially if you're having oily skin. You can just apply a face mist and blot it, and then you can feel fresh and it will suck out the excess sebum. So it's a very handy face mist also, and charcoal is extremely good for all skin types for deep cleansing. So this is how the mist looks like. A little dark. I've used it before and it's pretty good. It has a slight cooling sensation also. So this is my 4th product in the box. This is again a star product actually. It is from the brand Imiana House, and they have 2 serums. You can choose according to your skin type. I went with the anti-acne face beauty elixir enriched with jojoba oil, frankincense, tea tree and lavender. You're getting 15 ml. It is cruelty free, vegan, no SLS, paraben free and phthalate free, and no artificial fragrance as well. It is a newly manufactured product. You can add just 1 to 2 drops, spread on face. It has a shelf life of 12 months and the price is 825. Maybe this will replace all the other products and will become the star product. So this is how the texture of the face serum looks like. It has a nice fragrance, a pleasant fragrance, and I really can't make out what exactly causes this fragrance. A bit of a lemongrass. There is no lemongrass inside it, so maybe I think it's a tea tree essential oil. So the texture is, it's pretty hydrating, and I think it will be best suited for oily skin as a night leave-on serum. So I'm excited to try again a new brand. Imiana House has not been featured in boxes before, so, and it is like a full-size product, and also a choice is given as per your skin type. So definitely a great addition, and the price of this one is also like very good. If you calculate almost all the products, the pricing is like double or triple, not double, like triple or maybe 4 times the box price already. So very excited about that. Let's move on. Then we have 2 jewelry pieces, and this is what I got, and look at that, you guys. I have a pair of feet here. Okay, how absurd that sounds, I know, but this is such a cute earrings. I really love this one. And then I have a like a stud come drop kind of earrings. Again, this looks lovely. I love such color combinations, and it's a blingy stone. This is how the right side looks like. So these are the 2 jewelry pieces that I got, and these are absolutely pretty. They are lightweight. You can easily wear it. Very beautiful. Every month Divine Diva adds some beautiful jewelry. This time also the same. I think I'm a little bit more inclined towards this feet because it's so cute. So these are the 2 jewelry pieces that we got. And then we have a couple of Everteen Intimate Wipes. We have 2 of them, and these come in handy when you're traveling. I think I've talked a lot about these products already. I am like an OCD freak, and when traveling I need all kinds of these products. So I guess that's it. Our Divine Diva box for the month of March is empty right now, and that's all the products that we have received, and I'm just checking around if I have left any products. Not really. So we have come to the end of the box. I really like the box, just like last time. Like, you know, after some time you have an expectation from a particular box, like you know what's going to be there, and this time again Divine Diva met my expectations completely. There is something to eat, a new brand, makeup brand, halal and vegetarian. There's a hand scrub, a hair cream, a face serum, a face mist, 2 elegant jewelry pieces, some wet wipes. Well, at $6.99 there is nothing more that you can ask for. Divine Diva is definitely one of the best boxes. Again in March also, Deepthi, you have done an excellent job. I really like the choices, the brands, very atypical brands and very new products. So this box is definitely a big 2 thumbs up from my side. So yeah, that's it. If you're interested in purchasing, go ahead. All the links will be in the description box. We'll meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.